Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. And I am returning to my roots. Now, this video I haven't done in so long. When I first started my YouTube channel, I used to do these videos and it's what's in the box. This is one of those beauty subscription boxes. I haven't tried this one before. This is the Kovet kit box. I think I'm saying that right. Is it Kovet or Kovet? I don't know. Kovet kit box. This is actually kind of new. This is the second box that they've actually done. They do it every 2 months. I don't know if there's a word for that. Is it fortmonthly? I don't know. But they do it every 2 months. The price is slightly higher than like the average like birch box and glossy box. This was originally £44, but there was some sort of Black Friday offer which is still on at the moment, and I got it for £29. The value is £66, I think. But the one before this, the first one, you can also get it for £29, but it contains £104 worth of products, if I'm not mistaken. And what's good with this one is because it's slightly higher and you don't know if you want to commit to something at that price and you don't know what you're getting, you can actually have a look at what's inside the box. Now, the first one was called Rainbow Dreams, which what I love about this brand, this company, is once the month is passed, you can still go back and buy it if you wish. Because you can still buy the first one, which came out so this one originally came out in October. So October, September, August. Did I count backwards to that? Yeah, August. Yeah, August, I think. So you can still buy that one if you go onto the website and you like the products, you can buy it. Originally, I would have loved to have the one called Rainbow Dreams because hello, Rainbow Soul. But at the time, I couldn't afford it. This came out, I could afford it, but I wanted one of the items that's in this box more than what was in the first box, so that's why I went with this one. So, I'm going to shut up and show you what's inside here. So, I will link everything down below if you want to have a browse yourself. So yes, it comes in a box like that. There's no extra postage to pay. It literally said £29 and I paid £29 and it came quick, like speedy, to be honest. So, that's what it is. There's a little note. I do follow them on Instagram, and we have exchanged a few comments now and then. Because it's still quite small, I'm guessing they recognised like my names and everything that I was using when I came to buy it. So they sent me a note saying, "Hi Matt, thank you for supporting us. You deserve all the treats. Hope you enjoy your first Kovet kit box. Bon appetit." So yeah, little card. This is Boolicious. As I say, it did come out in October, which would have been the Halloween box, and this is called Autumn Treats. So I'm going to go straight into the one item that I wanted the most. This is the Glamlight Pizza Slice Palette. As far as I'm aware, you can't buy Glamlight like from a website from in the UK. You have to buy it from outside, like America, and it ships to the UK. And with customs and shipping, it is a lot. I've seen Nikki Tutorials test out Glamlight. Bunny from Graveyard Girl, Jeffree Star has done it himself, and I just wanted this palette because I wanted to try Glamlight. A few times I've gone onto the Glamlight website just to see how much it would cost, and it is still a lot. So I am chuffed to be able to have got something at a reasonable price. So this, you actually got to choose which palette you wanted, because there's two palettes. There's a veggie palette and there's a meat feast palette. And I know when it comes to pizza, I like a meat feast palette. But I got the veggie palette because I love the colours in here. And if you are a true fan of mine, you will know what shades are in here. So I'm just going to open it to show you the shades. So that's the box, triangular. Oh my god, it's got a mirror. So it's got a mirror. And oh my god, look at those shades. I'm going to get rid of this plastic. Those shades. Oh my god. I can't wait to... Oh my god, the colours. So the shade names, you got jalapeno, caramelised onion. Can you see that? Oh, is that me? Hello. Yellow peppers, olives, basil, green peppers, garlic is amazing. Check that colour out. Garlic, spinach, mushrooms, and black olives. Oh my god, you know there's a video coming dedicated to this alone. The next you get is a Label matte liquid lipstick. I've not heard of Label before, so I can't say where you can get it from. So this is in a shade dainty. Dainty, does that mean it's quite small? It's a red colour, but with it's kind of a pinky red. I'm going to swatch it. Wow, that's pigmented. That is nice. So yes, I am happy with that. As I say, Label, I've never heard of that brand, but I'm sure it's good because I don't think a company would go with something if they don't like them. So you get, is this a magnet? So I've got a magnet, I heart pizza, which I do. So that's going to go pride of place on my fridge. Then you get Natura, is that Natura? I am butchering these names. Potato and basil infused under eye mask. Oh, these are under eye masks. And they're not single use, you get 3 pairs. So that's a pack of 3. And can you believe I've never actually used under the eye masks before, so this is a first for me. And potato and parsley infused masks. I wonder what the benefit, does it say the benefits? Rejuvenates under eye and helps reduce dark shadows, which I need. So I think I'm going to treat myself to having one of these tonight. The next item, I think this was partially another one of the reasons I ordered it. It's a set of brushes. And I'm just getting too lazy to clean my brushes. Literally, this pot here, this is waiting for me to clean them. But I don't clean them. I need brushes, so I'll go out and buy some more. So I've got a set of brushes, and they are all the brushes that I would use. And I don't know if you can see it, but they've got glitter inside. Let's feel them. The company is The Cosmic Brushes. I'm not too sure if that's the company, but they are made in the UK. Each brush is made with synthetic hairs, a magical process, and lots of space dust. Okay, made in the UK with space dust. So so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can count. They look like skinny dip brushes. Can you see it's slowly moving? So these are white and they are so soft. That's a nice one. And you've got eyebrow or eyeliner, a big fluffy one, and I would use that for under the eye. So yes, I can put off cleaning my brushes for another few days, but in all seriousness, I need to clean my brushes. It just takes too long, honestly. So the next item is Rose All Day Lovely Pink Fizz Lip Scrub. Now I haven't actually tried a lip scrub before. I have been curious to try the Jeffree Star lip scrubs, but come on, £12 for a lip scrub that I'll probably eat after the first time. Yes, skincare for lovely people. Buff your way to the perfect pout with this sweet as sugar lip scrub. Not only is it delicious, it removes flaky skin creating a smooth base for flawless lipstick application. Rub gently into dry lips, then wipe with wipe or lick away. Follow with lovely lip balm, and then your favourite lipstick. Sorry, I am dyslexic. It takes me a while to read things. And it's right. So I don't know what the flavour is. Pink fizz, is that like champagne? So it comes in a little standard pot. Ooh. Oh, it smells like strawberry lemonade, and I kind of want to eat it. Should I try some? It says it's safe to eat, but is it safe to eat? Alright, let's try a bit. Not gonna lie, I'd definitely eat all of that. Okay, so that was nice. Wow, does our lip scrub's meant to taste that nice? Oh, it's made in Sheffield. Okay, I approve of that. And then the final thing, I don't know if it's included in the cost of it, but I have got a little lollipop. This is Harrison's Bakery. I'm guessing it's not Harrison Ford, but if it is Harrison Ford, then thank you. It's got some pumpkins on the front and a bat, and it says Kovet kit on the front. So I'm going to enjoy eating this instead of this. Ooh, and now I've got shredded paper everywhere. So, get to the leaflets. The Dainty Liquid Lipstick, which is this. This is £10. Now, it's dried clear. No, it hasn't dried clear. It's dried down and it's not transferring. Still there. So £10 for that, I approve. So that's doing good. What's next? Essential eye brushes, which are these. So the brand is Essential Eye Brushes. Blood Moon by Cosmic Brushes, and they are £22. Pretty much the same as the Skinny Dip ones, aren't they? So same price. I don't think they are over the too expensive or too cheap. It's kind of like box standard for a set of brushes, so £22. The palette, so this one, this costs £20.50. So again, I really only bought this box. Well, one of the reasons is for this, so I am happy. Would I have paid £20.50? Not gonna lie, I would have. So yes, I'm okay with that. The potato and paisley. What did I say? Paisley earlier? It's parsley. This thing. This is £5.95. To be honest, would I go to Primark and buy one set of under eye masks for £1.50? Yes. Times that by 3 takes it to a similar price. So that's okay. The final thing is the lip scrub. Ooh, that's £7.50. As a snack, expensive. As a lip scrub, haven't tried it yet, so I can't say, but it tastes amazing. It's got no price of this, so I'm guessing this is something that I've just chucked in for free, which I am very grateful for. So that was the Boolicious treats for the autumn treat box from Kovet Beauty Box. Wow. I enjoyed that box. Would I get it again? I would always wait to see what's inside the box. As I say, I do love the fact that it shows you, because it is a higher price than a normal glossy box, which is pretty much a standard £10, £12. Same with Birchbox. You don't necessarily see what's in it until you buy it or you wait until it's released and you see other people's pictures of it. So the fact that you can see inside this box before you buy it, it's a thumbs up from me. Oh, I got an itchy nose. So I just want to say thank you for Kovet Kitbox. They're great on Instagram. I love their posts. It's great that they actually communicate with their followers as well. As I have mentioned, they have communicated with me in the past, so they recognise my orders because I address anything for videos related to Rainbow Soul. So they must have picked up that for them to pop this kind little note in. But maybe after Christmas, if I can still buy the Rainbow Dreams box, I might treat myself. But as I say, I'll just have to wait until the time's here. Or December, actually, it's time for their third box, I think. So I might like that even better. So I'm going to wrap it up there. Again, thank you, Kovet Kitbox. I've enjoyed this one. Can't wait. Is my voice changing? I feel like I'm getting a cold. Did you hear that, like, tone change? So I'm excited to do a video on this, which you will see soon. And I shall see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. And stay sassy.